loves, welcome to my YouTube channel. Igama lam Thulisile Kolweni. If you are new here, welcome, and welcome. Please do not leave without subscribing, commenting, liking, and sharing this video with your friends and your family. I would really appreciate that a lot. And if you are my day one, welcome back, my loves. Thank you so much for choosing to watch this video. Also, do not forget to like, to comment, and share this video with your friends and family. When you engage in my content and share it with other people that have not seen my content, YouTube is able to actually push my content even more. It is very important. The first hour of me uploading a video on YouTube is very important. It determines how well the video is gonna do. So for that first hour, if more people are coming to watch, especially if they have notifications turned on, please do not forget to also turn on your notification so that when I post, you are able to see it first. So yeah, it's very important, that first hour of uploading for every creator, because YouTube is like, okay, a lot of people are actually interested in this video, so let me push it even more. So they will push my video to other people, will even suggest it to people that have not even watched or come across my channel. So yeah, today's video we are gonna do a monthly grocery haul on budget. So I'm gonna be sharing with you, my loves, what we get for monthly. We don't do weekly groceries because it's just the two of us. It's just me and my husband. It's the main reason why we don't do weekly groceries, because I think if maybe we had kids, we'll have to like stock up on fruits and other things for them, because maybe sibaninzi and the fridge yetu is not capable to carry ukutya okunintsi kakhulu. But the main is just me and him, and yeah, so we buy things that we relatively know that they're gonna last us the whole month. So that's what I will be sharing with you. I'll be sharing the grocery haul with you, from fruits, veggies, and whatever toiletries and inyama that we get. And yeah, I'm really excited that we do have e-cupboards, because now I have storage. I can store my stuff kakuhle. And also I do want to get more kitchenware, like I said, or homeware. I do want to also do a pep haul, so that's something to look forward in the future. So yeah, my loves, I've been talking for almost 4 minutes, but that's what I was sharing. Today we went to get fridge veggies and other things, and what's left now is for us to go buy inyama, and I think we will go buy it on the weekend. I think during the weekend. What do you think, baby? Are you gonna go tomorrow? So he says the weekend, so we'll go to Alberton again to go get nyama, because Alberton is very close to us. I just don't like going to malls that are around, or centers that are around. It's chaotic. Alberton is like, what is it, 5-10 minutes maybe away from us? Yeah, it's like 10 minutes away from us. So yeah, that's what we are gonna do in this video. So I hope you guys are excited for that and looking forward to it. Please do not forget to like, comment, and share this video. I'm so excited. We are heading to 2,000 supporters. To everyone that has subscribed, thank you so much, my loves. I do appreciate you guys so much. You guys have no idea. When I started this channel, I never thought that 1,420 people would find me interesting or make the time to watch me or anything like that. But I am so grateful for you guys. I am truly blessed. So I don't take it granted, each and every one of you. So this is the groceries for the month. We don't do weekly groceries, we do monthly groceries, like I said. Anyways, we normally buy our groceries at ShopRite. So we buy 60 amaqanda, and my husband is enjoying this. And this is our snack. So I bought 2 packets of chips. They were actually on sale, and then I got these, and then I love these so much. And then I got that. And because I got this, I bought this bread. We normally don't buy this bread, we buy the low IGI something. And then we have a stock on margarine, we have a salad dressing, we have a sweet corn. I like brown sugar, so we got brown sugars because sika amasi a lot. So I bought this only for amasi. We don't normally cook it papa or anything. We also don't buy rice, and whenever we have maybe a stew, then we use this obviously for the eggs. My husband loves this, just also for snacking, and oros. And then because we buy certain things at certain shops, please don't mind the splash there, it's still gonna be done. So at Clicks we got 2 packages of this because they were on special. We bought a toothpaste. We also got a sunlight bar soaps. We also got a refill. That's the refill for Handy Andy. My soap, I use this soap. I just wanted to try the coconut milk one. I normally use the original. I also got a sunlight for dishes. And this we use this for both a bathroom and also when we are when I'm doing dishes. So that's our groceries. That's not all of it. Like, I didn't buy any sanitary towels here. I didn't buy any hand lotion this month because we bought. So I have 2. We didn't buy any roll-ons. So those are other things that we do buy on a regular basis or every 3 months. And then we also get certain stuff at Woolworths, like umzekelo amasi and cheese. What else? There's bread that we also like from Woolworths. It's just that it's far from us, so we always get it once a month, and we will always buy 2 if there is. And then or whenever we go to Alberton. And if fruit and veggie too, we also buy it at Pick and Pay, so we're gonna buy those tomorrow. So that's our grocery haul. So my husband got me this meat. Oh, so good. From Dexter. I'm gonna have it with ipapa and chakalaka. There's load shedding, so my ipapa yami abanda, but that's what I'm gonna have for now. I'm not gonna wait for 8. 8 is too far. Even eating at 6 is still, it's very late for me. So this is what I'm going to have right now.
next day.
Nara Smith, these are the sauces for your pasta you should get. Only 10 minutes past. Baby? These are the pasta we should get. And this one. They're more healthier. They're not made out of flour. They're made from 100% more wheat and all that. This is the pasta brand we should be eating, not the to finish off our groceries, this is what we like I said yesterday, we were gonna go and grab other things. So we grabbed at Woolworths isonka, amasi, my husband yogurt, oats, he loves oats. And then we got these were 60 rand for 3. We used canola oil or extra virgin oil. And then for fruit and veg, we bought it at Pick and Pay. So what we do is we go to Pick and Pay every Thursday or Tuesday. So they do have don't know, it's called May Day. What is it called, babe? Farm Day, Market Day. So we got ibatanati, itamati, onions, green peppers, ifruit yethu, ngama peaches, grapes. And then for our veggies zethu we have amazambani, sweet potato, carrots zethu, we have apple. Then for our fruits we have ama-apile and we have amapere, and also we bought this a mango because I love me a mango. So we didn't get inyama because sifike kuvaliwe, so we're still gonna go get inyama. So this is your monthly Christmas, your monthly grocery haul on budget. I'm still gonna show you guys the meat when we get inyama. I'll show you guys. How much did we spend today, baby? So for all these things, I want to tell you guys how much we spent. Yesterday we spent 1,308 rand something. I want to find out how much did we spend for this now. So at Woolworths we spent 289. So let's say 290 for these things, and then for all of this fruit and veg we spent 362 rand. And then for meat we normally spend around 700, between 700 and 900 rand. And I'm planning on going on a diet, no meat, no dairy products, and no sugar on the 1st of May until for 3 months basically, and see if I can lose weight, because when I went to my gynae and saw my scale, I was like, not on my watch, honey, not on my watch. So yeah, this is what we got, guys. Thank you so much, my loves, for watching until this far. Please bear in mind that we didn't buy any toiletries. We bought like a few stuff because we normally buy maybe 3 months prior or in bulk. And this is the meat that we bought. We have mince, we have sausages, we have for breakfast, because we bought eggs, we have bacon, and we have pork, and we have a chicken which are already opened. So yeah, thank you so much, my loves, for watching until this far. I shall see you in my next video. Road to 2,000 supporters.